This is the elevator at JCPenney-Westfield Countryside in Clearwater, Florida. There's the elevator sign. And this say Montgomery. Whoops, sorry. Here's a cab view. This is a basic elevator for a JCPenney. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine.
I don't want you in the video.
That's okay. Are you doing YouTube? Okay.
I film elevators, I'm sorry.
Well, you should wait till you get off then.
I'm not going to include you in the video, I'm sorry about that.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Whoops. Mind if you get out?
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Wait. Thank you.
Go back down to 1. Here's the floor indicator. 5,000 pound capacity. Here's the certificate of operation, and that's the floor indicator. Here on. There it goes, and that's it.